Segment Sheva, Nikud Arba, Nikud Tet. Hayu le'oyevenu. Hayu le'oyevenu. This segment will show you how to register a change in a relationship. This is achieved in Hebrew by an idiom employing the verb haya, followed by the preposition le, plus that new relationship. Please notice the title expression. In the expression hayu le'oyevenu, we find the meaning they have become, that's expressed by hayu, and then our enemies. If you wish, you may more woodenly or literally render it, they have become as our enemies. We saw this back in Chamesh Nikud Achat Jonah episode. Ki haya lanu leMoshiach. Ki haya lanu leMoshiach. For he has become for us, that's lanu, leMoshiach, a rescuer, or more woodenly, as a rescuer, operating in the role of a rescuer. A biblical example may be found in Genesis 24 in the description of Isaac and Rebekah's marriage. We read, Vatihi lo leisha, Vatihi lo leisha. Vatihi is a vav conversive, vayiktol, so she became. Lo indicates belonging to him, that is, Isaac, and then the preposition le, followed by the object describing the role, as a wife. Literally, so she became for him as a wife. More smoothly, so she became his wife. Now we want to keep in mind that the combination of the verb haya with the preposition le may state ownership, as if to say there was an item X belonging to a person Y. You'll recognize this in the excerpt from 1 Kings 21. Kerem haya lenavot. Kerem haya lenavot. Kerem means vineyard, so this reads more literally, a vineyard there was to Naboth, or more smoothly, Naboth owned a vineyard. If you were wondering what is the difference between this idiom of ownership and the idiom describing a change in relationship, notice that we could adjust this last biblical excerpt slightly and wind up with the earlier idiom for changed relationship. We would do this by adding the preposition le before the object kerem, the vineyard. So it would read, le cherem haya le navot. In literal order, as a vineyard it became for Naboth. Or more smoothly, it became as a vineyard for Naboth, or simply, it became a vineyard for Naboth. The implication for a message of this sort would be that this particular piece of real estate earlier had served some other purpose. It was not, at the outset, a vineyard. Perhaps it was an orchard or a grain field. But then, due to the process of cultivation and preparation, it became a vineyard for this individual named Naboth.